Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Rains. We're back again with Words Their Way, and we're doing Sort 34 for derivational relations. Okay, and here's the chart. We have 4 categories. First category is man, which means hand. The second category is scrib or script, which means to write. We have cred, which is to believe. And then we have fac or fas, you could say, which means to make. So for the first category, we have manual, manure, which is one of those oddball words that we'll talk about. Manuscript, manufacture, manicure, mandate, and maneuver. The next word we have is scribble, transcribe, inscribe, inscription, subscription, prescribe, prescription, and scribe. The next category we have credible, credence, incredulous, incredible, discredit. And the last category we have factory, facilitate, artifact, and facsimile. All right, so the first word, manual. Manual is something done by hand. So the farmer did manual labor in the fields rather than using a tractor. The next word I have is transcribe. Transcribe is to make a written copy. He had to transcribe the dictionary while in detention. The next word, incredible. Incredible means so extraordinary as to seem impossible. The cheetah ran at an incredible speed. The next word is factory. Factory is a building for the manufacture of goods. So basically where they create or make these goods. So the sentence I have is, our class visited a toy factory where they make Legos. Manuscript. Manuscript is the original handwritten text from an author. The sentence I have is, in Washington, D.C., we saw the original manuscript of the Declaration of Independence. The next word is prescribe. Prescribe is a written order to follow. The doctor said he would prescribe an antibiotic for her infection. The next word is credible. Credible means believable. We knew her story was credible because she witnessed the event herself. Manufacture. Manufacture is the making and producing of a product. The manufacture of these computers was done in China. The next word is manicure. Manicure is the cosmetic treatment of the hands and nails. The sentence I have is, she went to the salon to get a manicure. Credence. Credence is belief as to the truth of something. So when you believe something to be true. The teacher gave credence to the student's claim that John Adams was the second president. Prescription. Prescription is a written order by a doctor for the use of medicine. She got a prescription from her doctor to treat her constant headaches. Facsimile. Facsimile is an exact copy. She sent a facsimile of the report to her lawyer. Manure basically is animal poop. And we usually think about cat poop, usually. A lot of times it's used for soil, but that is definitely one of those oddball words that they threw in here. It really has nothing to do with the Greek category, so, but it is a spelling word for this week. So the sentence I have is, don't step in the cow manure. The next word is inscribe. To write a personal note, to dedicate a book or photograph. We hoped Michelle Obama would inscribe a message to us since we waited in line for her to sign her new book. Discredit. Discredit is to show something is not worth believing. We wondered whether the new science discovery would discredit reports that dinosaurs once lived in Florida. Facilitate. Facilitate is to help in the progress of a task. He helped to facilitate in the setting up of the community event. Inscription. Inscription are words written on stone, brick, metal, or other hard surface. At the memorial, we saw the inscription of the Gettysburg Address. And that was at the Lincoln Memorial. We saw that in Washington, D.C. The next word is mandate. Mandate is a command to act in a particular way. The king issued a mandate to all the people to pay a new tax. So they were forced to pay a tax. Artifact. An artifact is a handmade object. Did you view the Egyptian artifact at the museum? Subscription. Subscription is to receive a service for a certain period of time, so they can get a magazine subscription, or Netflix. We have a subscription to Netflix. Maneuver. Maneuver is an intentional movement. We had to maneuver the car to get around the traffic jam. Scribble. Scribble. To write carelessly. That's supposed to say carelessly. Hold on. Let me go back. Thought I was not going to have any errors, but for some reason, sometimes. Okay, so let's see if that works. All right, so for scribble, we have to write carelessly. Sometimes when our handwriting gets sloppy, it looks like scribbles, right? Okay, that's better. So the sentence I have is, did you just scribble your name on your paper? So basically it looks like it was written sloppy. Incredulous, showing unbelief. She gave an incredulous smile when the magician pulled a rabbit out of his hat. Scribe, someone who makes copies by hand. So basically like handwritten copies. There was a scribe at the meeting writing down everything that was said. And that was all the words. So for your journal week, this week you get to pick 3 homework assignments that you're going to do in your journal work to show that you have studied for these words and you're ready for the test. You get to pick which ones you think will help you learn the best. So we have ABC order, 10 times each, definitions, pictures, color words, triangle words, or sentences. And also the spelling and vocabulary test will be this Friday, so be ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.